Welcome to the video titled Famous Inspirational Speeches That Changed the World. In this video, we will look at some of the most renowned speeches in history that have left an indelible impression on humanity. One of the most famous speeches of all time is Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech. Delivered on August 28, 1963, in Washington, D.C., King spoke about the injustice faced by African Americans and called for equality and justice for all. This speech inspired a whole generation of civil rights activists and remains a timeless example of the power of words. Winston Churchill's "We Shall Fight on the Beaches" speech delivered on June 4, 1940, is another example of a speech that changed the world. In this speech, Churchill rallied the British people to stand up against Nazi Germany and showed the world that Britain would never surrender. This speech boosted the morale of the British people and is considered one of the greatest speeches of all time. Ronald Reagan's "Tear Down This Wall" speech is another iconic speech that had a significant impact on history. Delivered on June 12, 1987, in West Berlin, Reagan called on Soviet Union leader Mikhail Gorbachev to take down the wall that divided East and West Berlin. This speech is famous for its passionate delivery and for its role in helping to bring down the Berlin Wall. These are just a few examples of speeches that have changed the world. From inspiring entire nations to fighting for equality and justice, these speeches have left an indelible mark on history and continue to inspire people today.